Hey, Jake with B&H. Today I'm excited to announce the new DJI Mavic Air 2 S. It was around this time last year that I got to test out the upgrade to the original Mavic Air, the Mavic Air 2, and now they've done it again. The Mavic Air 2S boasts a larger 1-inch sensor and improves on resolution, along with a host of other features that pull from DJI's flagship drones. With these improvements, you're getting more of the pro features in a smaller, travel-friendly body. Let's check out some of the new features and see what the footage looks like. The first upgrade that immediately caught my eye was the increase in sensor size from a 1/2-inch chip to a 20-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor. This matches the sensor size on the Mavic 2 Pro. It makes the Air 2S the most compact and lightest drone on the market to feature a sensor of this size. With this increase in sensor size comes a vast improvement in image quality, resolution, performance, and intelligent features. The Air 2S can capture footage at 5.4K up to 30 frames per second. It can also capture 4K up to 60 frames per second, so you don't have to sacrifice quality while capturing high-resolution, cinematic shots, or high-res slow-motion footage. Recording at 5.4K also gives you ample room in post-production to crop in on parts of your image. In the menu, you can choose between normal mode and 10-bit D-Log mode, allowing you to push the grade on your footage even further. You can select between MP4 or MOV and take advantage of the H.265 codec as well. Also on board is an improved intelligent HDR mode, which allows you to create video and stills in high contrast situations without having to worry about post-editing. This mode is great if you're filming a sunrise or a sunset or any situation with extreme bright light and very dark shadows. Improvements have also been made in the HDR pano and hyperlapse modes. If you're looking to create aerial photos, the Air S2 allows you to capture still images in JPEG and RAW formats with a dynamic range of up to 12.6 stops. You can also choose between a 3:2 ratio and a 16:9 ratio. The camera on the drone features a 22mm wide-angle lens. While you're flying around creating stunning landscape shots, you can also take advantage of the improved obstacle avoidance system on the Air S2. The new system now includes upward sensors on top of downward, forward, and backward obstacle sensors. This added safety feature will make sure your flights are safer and less stressful when you're flying through tight spaces like in the woods. All of the intelligent flight modes found on the Air 2 can be found on the Air S2 with some performance improvements. In addition to those, a new mode called Master Shots. Once you select your subject, the drone then records along one of the 3 preset flight routes, creating finished content with just one click. Spotlight 2.0 can track a subject while keeping them in the center of the frame. You can focus on controlling the drone while the camera movement is taken care of for you. Hyperlapse mode captures the passing of time in a unique way. It has 4 modes of control. In free mode, the operator has complete control. In circle mode, the drone automatically circles the subject while capturing images. In course lock mode, the Air S2 will lock onto a subject and fly straight while keeping the subject in the middle of the frame. And lastly, waypoint, where you can set up to 5 points and have the drone follow a flight path. APAS 4.0 builds on top of the 3.0 version by improving its mapping technology and avoidance capabilities. You can smoothly follow a subject while also taking advantage of the drone collision avoidance feature improvements. The ACTIVETRACK 4.0 also lets you take advantage of subject tracking and improved flight and obstacle avoidance capabilities. Point of Interest 3.0 tracks a subject in an orbital pattern, keeping the subject centered. You can set the radius and flight speed as well. The battery on the Air S2 lasts for about 31 minutes on a full charge and takes about 70 to 80 minutes to reach that full charge. Now keep in mind that to get the best life out of your battery, it does help to operate it in optimal conditions such as low wind. The weight of the Air S2 comes in at 595 grams or 1.3 pounds. All right, so we're out here in the field flying the DJI Mavic Air 2S, and I was just fumbling through the app here and I discovered a really cool feature, and it allows the controller to actually charge my phone while I'm using the app. This is game-changing for me because I can't tell you how many times I've been out in the field with fully charged batteries for the drone, the controller's charged, but my phone is dying because it's cold out and I gotta stop and I gotta go into the car and charge it or pull up my portable battery pack. This is going to save you so much time being able to just go into the menu in the settings, put in charge phone. You can still use the app and the drone at the same time. You're going to shoot longer, saving you time and stress. Improving on the OcuSync 2.0 system found in the Air 2, the Air 2S features a further advanced system called O3. The O3 system improves signal by going from 2 antennas to 4 separate antennas for increased anti-interference. It can transmit 1080p video footage up to 12 kilometers away, which is a 2 kilometers improvement over the OcuSync 2 system. So if you go ahead and purchase the DJI Fly More combo like we have here, you get a bunch of cool accessories that come with it. That includes extra props in case one of them breaks. You get 3 batteries and a triple charger. And the coup de grace though has to be 4 ND filters. This is crucial for exposure control. This way, if you put on an ND filter, you actually set the shutter speed that you want rather than letting the environment dictate the shutter speed for you. This is huge. The Mavic Air 2S is a compact and user-friendly aircraft packed with features found on some of DJI's top drones. With its increased resolution, sensor size, and tracking modes, this drone is perfect for travel, hiking, sports, and more. Let me know what you think about the new DJI Mavic Air 2S in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep flying.